Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to cover a very small thing, maybe known by many persons, but uh, if you are not knowing, this may be useful. I have seen one senior citizen to struggle in finding this, so I decided to make a video. What is this? Sharing of status of WhatsApp on other social media platforms. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the WhatsApp and go to the updates here. This will come, and then just put anything on your status. So I'm just putting my status. Go here, go to the gallery and go to the WhatsApp or anything you want. Suppose I want this, just select this. Now add. So I have put this on my status. Okay, now this is my status. Now I want to share. Just I will go to the status and tap on three dots here. Now share will come, and from here just select where you want to share. Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook, you can share anywhere. Okay, if you are selecting WhatsApp, you can send it to selected persons, or you can, if you are sharing on Instagram, then just feed, reels, stories, direct where you want to share. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how to share your WhatsApp status on Instagram or any other social media platform. So if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very